Kobe. Today we're gonna play some Mobile Legends. Okay, so this is going to be a little long video. Hey, Mark's back. I also forgot that name is whatever gender he or she is. Actual name is Nico. I just changed her name to Remark for some reason. I have no idea why. So yeah, this will take a couple of minutes. What the skibby? Guys, I'll fix this real quick. Okay, fixed. Wonder why. Okay, yeah, everything's fine. Stop, do something. Okay, so this like this, and it'll be. There's no here. Also, I don't know that. Okay. Fine, Roger. What's Kaja? Yeah, sure, Kaja. Kaja is a big step for you, sure. Phantom Hunter. Okay, let's look at the Phantom Hunter. Let's see the skill. So guys, this will be a pretty long while. So this will be just a quick transition, okay? Okay, we're here. Nice. Okay, great. Instant personally does because I don't care of that. Bang. Boom. Easy game. Okay, going in nearby. Close. Really well dodge. Okay, very low stamina. I'm gonna recall. Ah! Get out. Get him down. Take him. Okay, we did it. I'll just recall. Oh, shoot. Not me. Whatever, I can just recall. Okay. Oh, these guys. Oh, Pico's up there. I didn't notice her. This is set up. Bang. Generate hide. Okay. Going out for an ambush. Oh, Jim Jones. Oh, Mountain Valkyrie. Yep, I'm out of there. Okay, I gotta be here if I'm useful. Oh, dude, I got no depth. Oh, wait a moment. I can shoot them from afar. Get out of this. Okay. Okay, actually, no. Yes, Nico, you're finally here. Help me. Do something. Nice. I'm getting revealed. Let's go. Let's just shoot these guys. Okay. Okay, there is not activated. Nah, bro. Can't you seriously get away with it? Trying to beat my friend? My line friend? Push out. Get out, no. I'm definitely the strongest unit. Like, I'm literally just about to go in a war zone, literally. Dude, I then with fight the date. Okay, time for medal. Nobody should have anyways. Come on, man. Literally right when I say it. Yep, she's just absolute scaredy pants. I know it. Ah, yep, you ain't getting away with that. Dude, I'm literally trying to speak to my head. No, Hyper Titan. Get out. Dodge, attack. Attack, dodge. I'm out. See you, boys. I'm the leader army. No, get out. Ah, get out. Ow. Oh. Dude, these guys take no respect. They're just walking on my dead body. Okay, we got 3, they got 9. We're getting closer to them. I'm not wasting any of my power-ups. Oh, wait a moment, we're catching up. We're actually catching up. Oh, did I just glitch the game? And also, this is what's out the border. Oh, it was Johnson. Okay, Johnson I can't find. But that's good anyways. Yeah, I know. No, you're okay. Skip, you ain't getting away with this. Ow. Dude, I'm trying to hit the green. I was going to say, pretend this is like your life, but that's kind of really dark, bro. Oh, it's this guy again, huh? I see. Ow. Okay, I'm going to... No, this person's gonna lose. But I can't help. Get out of there. No. I'm gonna avenge him. Okay, I'm going with this, like, noob, absolute noob. Yep, nope, I'm... Ow. Dude, poor Mikoy. No, I'm not going to surrender, okay. Cancel. Okay, nobody's going there, so I guess I'm the only one that should. No! Ow! Dude, I'm tired. Wait, no, don't do it. No, don't enter. Okay, once I've done enter, I'm lucky that I accidentally pressed it. Oh, look at that! That's cool, I never seen that. And there's also like this thing that I never saw. Okay, whatever, get focused. Okay, I'm gonna stop the board. Hurry up. There's no speaker icon, actually. We got this as a team. For the moment, I should have figured up to know that it isn't fighting, but it's protecting our base. Boys, get over here! Miles Morales, ow, ow! Guys, I'll just cut this in the video. I don't think I should. This is gonna record. What's Johnson? Boom. Naku po. No, dude, I'm out. See ya. This is for all players. This is for the players. I'm out. See you later. I'm out. Dude, we're so close. Johnson's up. It's time to attack. Ah! Dude, poor Nico, he's just a healer, man. Yes, we did it. Nice. We did it. We were so low, but we made it. Okay. Since Nico, I forgot that she's keep on joining me in these videos. Yeah, that's pretty annoying. Whatever. Okay, this guy looks like Thanos. Snap. What would it run with this? Epic comeback. Yeah. It is an epic. The disrespect. The disrespect to me. These allies are great. Dude, these allies suck. You know what? Just for the points. Okay. Get Speaker Man. Yeah, guys, that's my name. to the card. What's here? Okay. That was funny. Okay, there's only one character that I mastered. Marcus. Marcus. I really know Marcus. Oh, the set was also very good. Okay. Okay, we got this. We got this in the back. I'm the first one. Okay, I love mobility. I love mobility. Okay, I'm going for an ambush. Oh! Seriously, things are real, bro. Oh, there's two people? Dude, man, that ain't fair. Okay, I'm getting out right there. Ow. Where are they? Get over here! Okay, there's another cool ability that I want to show. Bang! Ow. Get cooked now, buddy. Oh, you're lucky. Okay, I'm going for an ambush. Dude, what you just doing this standing? Dude. This is gonna be bait. Yep, joint. Joint. Joint, 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 joint. Ow, 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 ow. I'm gonna try. No. No. This is crazy. Dude, I mastered this character. Yep, I literally dodged that. Dude, where's Miko when I need her? Or him, I have no idea. She's literally just an online friend. Well, she's an online friend, I have no idea actually. No way I'm losing this. No way. Bang. Where's that? That what? Okay, I'm going with the other fighter. Yeah, this guy. Wait, I'm watching an anime. Let's see anywhere. I got this, boys. Nah. Bang. Wait, I don't have a microphone on. Everybody's getting cooked. What's this guy up to? Get that protein. I'm joining him, even though I'm over. Go, bro. You can go, bro. Ah, ah. Attack. Ah. Okay. Third round, I'm being huge. I don't know why I'm turning to becoming bad at the game. You know what? I'm going down. I'm going down where my friend is. I'm just get out of here. I got a friend to talk to. Let's just get this over with. Wait, that's 160. Now's my turn to attack. guys from before. You got this, bro? Oh, 9 versus 9 and 10 versus 7. Oh, oh no. Yes. Okay, I gotta be real helpful. Oh wait, the gourd, guys, the gourd. Okay, guys, I'm getting the gourd. But nobody should follow me. I don't want anybody to follow me. Because if they follow me, all enemies will go to the gourd. Dude, why did you do that? Well, we're gonna lose. Dude, what are they doing? I said don't go there. Dude, why do you guys go there? It's like they can hear me. Dude, who put something like one of these text bubbles like there? Like, why did they put it like here? Got at the gourd. So annoying. Can you please just not disturb me just for once? Nah, bro. Get out. Nah, bro, I'm out. One thing for sure is that I'm out. You see the record? Okay, that's the only time I will not die, bro. Okay, I decided to go up. Okay, I'm going to the wood, but nobody again. Please don't do that ever again. Okay. Hey, Miko, what you doing up there? I'm coming. Hurry up, boys. We got our city to save. Oh, they're coming. Wait, that's an enemy. I cannot do this. And that, and do this, and that, and that. Get out. Wait, what am I letting bro get out? Hurry up, get out. Hide in the bush. What are you doing? Dude, what are you doing? Okay, dude, we're so close. Why is it me? Okay, guys. We got this, boy. Oh, Jimmy Jones, I'm out of there. Wait, oh shoot, that's 3, I can't do that. Nope, no. But I wish I could be strong right now. Hurry up. Get out. Yep, we ain't getting out of there. Retreat. They're too strong. And it's also only, it's a 4v5, so that ain't fair. Dude, what's Nico doing? Nico, don't just go to the back. Okay guys, we got it. I'm starting to rage, but we got it. Or should I play as this guy next round? Okay, I should always play as that guy. I'm running. Now this is gonna be a Rubik's Bear. Okay, this isn't. Wait, there's a player left. This guy, hey buddy, what up? This is our time, our moment to attack. No, retreat. Ow! So, we made it. Yes, sir. Okay, well this is pretty good. Womp. Okay, Nikoi. Ready? Ready, Nikoi? Oh right, she's in a different place. She's in a different house. Let's just go. Oh, there's something here. Please be a new character. Please be a new character. Please be a new character. Well, what is that for? That's what Spud said. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna, I just wanna be as a lava guy. The lava guy is fine with me. Doesn't matter. What's this guy look like? Sheesh, that looks very good. What's this? Oh, I should probably use this one. Okay. Yeah. That is definitely hyper cool. Oh, I should have used sun. No. Okay, guys, we're here in the game. Okay, my first one that I should probably pick is probably this one. Okay. I'm gonna hide in the bush because I can okay, we're going out. Oh, hey, Nico's back. Go. This is my trip. This is my final strike. They're in the bush, dude. What's this do? I don't. Oh, it's a zip ability. Okay. Bang. Ah. See? Okay, let's hide in the bush for an ambush. Hide in the bush, dude. Okay. Okay. Don't attack. Oh, wait a moment. Left. We probably should have. Come on, boy. Ow. Hey, I got some coins. Yeah, the coins are actually pretty useless, actually, if you ask me. Oh, wait, we have a rifle. And also, guys, it's actually soon when we want to do it, like, again. Oh, don't. Bang! Dude, I got my max level. Dude, this is an easy game. Ow! Jeez, I'm not trying to attack you. But once I get the chance, I can. Okay. Okay, don't hide in the bush. There's bee right. No, don't hide in the bush. Dude, get out. Get out. Get out. Get out of the bush. Okay. This is my time. Oh, can the speak you already done for? This letter. This letter. Ow. Nice. I got no more trouble. Oh, dude. Dude, I'm insane. Really insane. Dude, dude. Dude, where is this circle? Nah, but you're cooked. You're cooked. Ow. This will be a quick cut. Okay, I am back. I'm going there. Ow. Ow. Let's get out of here. And dead. Oh, not yet. To the angel guardian healthcare. But we're not going. Oh man. Whoops. Okay, time to attack. Try 15. Oh shoot. Oh yeah, the answer helps too. Okay, we're gonna clean out this people. Okay, I wanna hide. I feel like an enemy is coming. Yep, I know. No. I don't even know how to put this back. What? Get out of here. Get close. Oh nope. I think I'm getting. Ow. I'm getting more like this part. Oh, at least she helped me. Like, sorry, Angel. Okay, Sunday, you gotta cook. Where'd it go? Hey, yo, where'd the sun go? Ow, help. Ow. Okay, we're back. Okay, I'm going on top. That's the word I got you. Okay, I can't teleport, so I don't have. Just have it keep moving. Oh no! Enemy spotted. Ow! Hey boys and girls, I got the party joiner. Go in. Press ow. Look at the dust. Two just three monkeys. Three monkeys versus just like one devil. There's no way that ain't fair. Oh yes, sir. You might be looking, but they're also losing. And I'm spawning, right? No. That's halfway, but dude, I got dead. Nobody's even there. Dude, just one! Dude, this guy? Dude. Don't do that. Ow, 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 ow. I'm coming, everybody. Just one guy left. And he's tumbleweed. No. And guys, see you soon. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. See you in the next video. See you, my dudes. Bye.